friends, and welcome to the Mom Stuff Coffee Shop. Today I'm going to show you how to do a beautiful entryway candy buffet for the summer. I just love this candy bar. It turned out so beautiful, and I'm going to show you how to get the same look by starting at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has so many items for your summertime candy bar. They had these beautiful flowers that I accented for the entryway table. They had all of my family favorites. And they also had the letters that we needed for the candy bar. I wasn't sure if I want to go with big chunky letters, and they also had other letters, but these silver letters are from Michael's. They had a beautiful picture frame, and you'll see what I'm going to do with that in a minute. I went to Joann's Fabric and picked up some burlap. I just absolutely love burlap. So now I'm going to cut and measure my burlap. I'm going to have my glue gun, and then with each piece of burlap, I'm going to wrap it around these vases that I found at Dollar Tree. And also I found the candelabras at Dollar Tree as well. With the candelabras, don't forget to attach them to the vase on the bottom with your hot glue gun. And another trick is I dried them upside down for about 3 hours. As you will see in the candy bar, the longer candelabras, I actually found those at a local thrift shop. They were only $1.01. So the hint to creating a candy bar that is affordable, I think this candy bar was little under $40. So I'm also a thrift store mom, so I find a lot of things at the thrift store, and the longer candelabras, they were just right on time because I wanted also some height difference on each. So I also found this beautiful bling accessory tape at the Dollar Tree. I could not believe it. It was $1. So how I attach the flowers is I pulled each flower off and I cut the back of the flower, and I took the greenery off the back of the flower because it was a little bit bulky, so I just cut the flower absolutely flat, and then I attached it with my hot glue gun, and I just pressed it and hold it, and I just wrapped these beautiful bling wrap around each vase to give it a pop of bling when you walk in. My daughter absolutely loved doing this candy bar with me. I was so happy she joined me. So after I put all my candy in, a trick is I'm going to put this back in the refrigerator to have it nice and cold because it's really hot this summer, and we keep our house pretty cool. And when your guests come over, they are going to absolutely be wowed by your candy bar. And you could put your family favorites, you could put your guest favorites, you could put your girlfriend's favorites for a girl day, and voila, here we are with the beautiful candy bar. I think it turned out really great, and I was so glad that my daughter was able to help me. So I absolutely love the candy choices, and the gold chewy candy is absolutely delicious. We all know the other candy is absolutely delicious, but the gold chewy candy, it came in caramel and chocolate and coffee flavors. And here are the silver tongs that came from the Dollar Tree, and here are the cups, and even the platter came from the Dollar Tree. And your guests could walk away or come in and grab their cup, sit down, and grab their favorite type of candy. For watching the Mom Stuff Coffee Shop. Please hit the subscribe button for more videos. See you next time.